This is the 7th problem on the quiz review. It's converting from radians to degrees this time. Previous question was the other way around. So I'm still going to do the same proportion. I'm going to do pi over 180 equals, that's a 0. Okay, equals the radian measurement. Now I know that. I know 5 pi over 6, but I do not know the degree equivalent to that. Okay, so I'm going to multiply, cross multiply, pi x. I'm going to leave them as pi's. Then I'm going to take 180 times 5 pi over 6. And to do this, I'm going to just take 180 times 5 and then divide it by 6 at the end. Okay? So if we do so, I'm going to take also pi x over here, 180 times 5, and I'm going to divide that number by 5. By 6, divided by this 6. I'm going to end up having 150, and I still have my pi. Right, this pi is still here. So if I divide both sides by pi, I'm just going to be left with my degree equivalent. So x is 150 degrees. Okay? Same proportion, you're just filling in the opposite part of the fraction. Okay? So let's look at part C, possibly. I have 11 pi over 4. Some of these, again, you might know from the unit circle, but we want to be able to show our work and show how we can convert back and forth. So I'm going to have pi over 180. This is a fact that I know, that's a true statement. It's pi radians is worth 180 degrees equals 11 pi over 4. And I don't know the degrees for that one. That one's not as common. Okay, 3 pi over 4, you might know that. So I'm going to cross multiply. Pi times x equals 180. I'm going to do times 11. And then I'm going to divide it by 4 at the end. Okay, so 180 times 11 first. And then I'm going to divide that number by 4. So pi times x equals, that number in the end you're going to get is 495. And I still have this pi, so I'm going to, that's supposed to be a pi. Break down the pi. Divide both sides by pi. So I just have x equals my degrees, which is going to be 495 degrees. So that's more than just one time around the circle. Okay? So I can convert the same way for part B. Plug in your radians in the top part of your fraction, cross multiply and solve.